Hi guys, today I'm going to be explaining a 7 times table trick. Now, I'm sure all those who struggle with 7 times table will be looking for this because I understand 7 times table was even hard for me. But as soon as I saw this trick, it became so much more easier. So starting off, we're going to draw a tic-tac-toe grid, which is super easy if you play tic-tac-toe. Okay, so we're going top to bottom, right to left. Now, let's start. This trick is super easy for me because you just need to write down the numbers. Now, at the right top corner here, we are going to start with our numbers. We're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, that was super easy, wasn't it? Now, we have to write in this corner here, you have to write a little 0. Okay. Now, we're going to write the 10th digit. So this time we're going to start from the left to the right side, starting with 0 and so on. 0, 1, 2. Now, the special number 2, we just need to copy paste it to this side. So another 2, 3, 4. Now this 4, we also need to copy paste it just like the 2. Right here. And 4, 5, and 6. And finally, last one, 7. Wasn't that super easy? Now I bet when someone asks you, what is 7 times 2? You'll say 14. 7 times 10? 70. 7 times 5? 35. Just like that, you can learn the 7 times table in the snap of a finger. Now, thank you for watching. Make sure to share this video for this super easy trick to go viral and for helping so many people that don't know. And also make sure to comment down below, like, subscribe to make sure that a lot of people will love this video and understand it very well. Now, I have to say goodbye now, guys. Thank you. Bye.